Hello everyone, I am Dolly from JD Life YouTube channel. This is my first video, so I hope you will enjoy it. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our new channel if you like our video. I will upload 3 new videos about Korean skincare, beauty and life every single week. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. I will try to answer to everyone. And also, please notice, I am not from USA, neither from other countries where the mother language is English, so I hope you can understand. I might make plenty of mistakes or have a weird pronunciation, sorry for that. So today I'm going to introduce a famous Korean eye cream from the brand A.H.C. Both in Korea and abroad, people who knows at least a bit about Korean cosmetics, they must have heard about this brand already. They are mostly famous about their eye creams. They launch a new one every single year. However, the one I'm going to introduce today is not from the latest season, but the season before. This eye cream is my personal favorite though, since it's 100% safe by the EWG, therefore pregnant women can also use it without any harm. First of all, I will show how the product looks like. After that, I'm going to talk about the abilities and show the final result. Of course, this final result is based on just my personal point of view, so I will try to share the basic facts instead of simple opinions of I don't like it or I like it, this product is really good. I guess you are also not here because you are interested in my opinions, but because you are interested in this product itself. So I hope I can help about it, so let's get started. The absorption is semi-fast, but you usually use this cream only at night, not in the morning, so it's okay. The finish is shiny, but at the same time it's not sticky or oily at all. This cream can moisturize your skin really well. Even after hours you can still feel the hydration, so if you apply it on at night, you can still feel it in the morning. The smell of the cream is quite herbal, however it's a little bit too strong, but still I gave a yes for it. This product contains 0 unsafe, 0 allergenic, 0 moderate and 0 high concern ingredient by the EWG. My favorite part about this product is the safety. There are plenty of natural and active ingredients in it, altogether more than 40. I gave 5 points for the texture, 4 points for the absorption, 5 points for the silky finish, 5 for the moisture, 4 because of the little bit too strong smell and 5 for the safety, so it's altogether 28 out of the 30. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the final result. Now I will introduce when should you use this cream and how. So first of all, the eye creams are always heavy and thick, so they can protect the delicate skin around the eyes. Therefore, obviously you want to apply it on in the end of the whole skincare process. First use a cleanser, then a toner, essence, serum or ampule, lotion, and finally cream or sleeping mask. Whatever you use, be sure you put on the eye cream just in the end of the whole process. I think AHC is too heavy cream to be used in the morning. Instead, I recommend it only for the night. So now you know this eye cream is recommended to be used at night as the last step of the usual skincare routine. Now let's see how to apply it on. My helper is going to be my husband, who is Korean.
Hi.
You choose your way. The point is you don't need to massage it too hardly because it would cause deeper wrinkles around the eyes. So let's start. Okay, so this is the way how to use this product. Personally, I highly recommend this one if you want to purchase a good quality eye cream from Korea. This one is really safe to use. It's all natural and deeply moisturizing, and I can see the effects. I was using this product for about 2 to 3 months and the wrinkles under my eyes started to disappear. They are firmer than before, so for me it was really working, but of course it's personally. Some people might not like the smell, it's a little bit strong, but I like it because it's not a perfumey one but more like a herbal one, so I highly recommend this eye cream. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and follow my videos. Thank you, bye bye.